Welcome. I'm Health Coach Kara, and this video explores the role and impact of cortisol. Please remember, this information is for educational purposes only and not medical advice. Our agenda covers the endocrine system, hormones, body balance, hormonal action, hormone production, and receptor binding. The endocrine system is a network of glands that produces hormones, which are chemical messengers. The system's main goal is maintaining homeostasis, or body balance. Hormones regulate essential biological processes, crucial for maintaining balance within the body, which is known as homeostasis. Understanding hormones is key to understanding our bodily functions. Hormones are produced and released by glands. Specifically, the hormone cortisol is generated by the adrenal glands. This is how hormone action begins. Once produced, hormones travel by diffusing through the bloodstream to reach their intended target cells throughout the body. The hormonal action mechanism is completed when hormones attach to specific receptors on target cells, triggering the appropriate physiological responses.
Cortisol is the alpha hormone in managing the body's response to stress.
Understanding cortisol's impact reveals the complexity of our hormonal balance.
Cortisol is a double-edged sword. While it's vital for survival, chronic stress causes elevated cortisol, leading to fat storage, especially around the midsection. We must understand its power and purpose. Thank you for watching. As Coach Kara, I encourage you to consider your individual triggers to cortisol and stress, and identify 3 ways to manage your cortisol in today's modern world.